Hello friends, let's do nail extension and this time I'm gonna do soft nails. Like pink white combinations I did soft nails before but that time I used the black color too. But today I'm gonna do my nails only with soft shades and I'm so excited to see how they come. As you know that I keep my nails pre-made to save the time. But they all have gone and now it's time to make a new set. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Because I make very informative videos for beginners. I show you quick hacks that work 100% and this time I'm gonna show you that how you can use your regular UV lamp as a standing lamp. Like this. Separate the lower plate and turn it upside down, then place your lamp onto it like this. It really works. You should try this hack, and if you ever try this, please let me know in the comment section. It will make me happy that my videos and hacks really help you in your work. Now I am making them smooth from the surface and then measure and cut them in my desired shape. Now it's time to shape them well. I brought all the tools here. Let's do the filing. We need more energy to file the nails. They are very time consuming and energy taking. Let's color them. I'm gonna use these two shades. Apply the pink shade only at the cuticle side and left I'll cover with the white shade. I'm excited but at the same time I'm nervous because whenever we choose wrong shades in clothes and hairs and all the things which we wear on our body, then it reflects its color and sometimes our skin tone or personality looks dull and so much different from the real one. I think that I'm not saying everything should be perfect for us to wear, but I'm talking about the things in which we don't feel that who we are in real. I'm saying these things in this video because I know that shades I chose to wear today and I already chose these shades in clothes and I felt like no, they are not made for me. Applying 3-4 coats of these shades to make them blend smoothly at the center. It's looking all white in video, but in real I can see the pink. Now I'm gonna use this jelly pink shade for making the Korean design. I saw this on the Korean hands, so it's a Korean design for me. And this time I wish that I could not do this design because after this it just made me mad and unsatisfied by looking at the design. The design which I was not prepared for, I created in seconds without thinking twice. And now I hate it. I don't know why I made this. What is the purpose behind this? I was not trying to create this but thought about the texture nail design, then I made it mad with this gel. I'm telling you guys, I was not in the good mood after the center finger design. Now I just realized that the design which I thought work did not work at all by the smooth gels because they need texture gel and I don't have that. Maybe I won't try this type of nails anymore. But the real ruin part is coming. Wait until it comes. I have a 3D bow which I've made before, so I'm gonna use this, but it fell into the whole gel and now it has the excess amount of gel. I can't do anything, just change my decision to get it on my nails. I decided to create stones with plus sign. My mind is blank while doing this set. I don't even know that what should I make next. I just random pick up designs. Looking okay, not bad, but now the most hated part has been come. The pink chrome powder application. Yes. The thumb is 6 out of 10 and when I applied this on other nails, they are looking 0 out of 10. The white ombre look has been gone, don't know where, only pink is reflecting. All the details which I made like a white outline around the heart and white pink base ombre all has been gone in this chrome. It's been 5 hours and now I don't have time to enhance my nails or change something. I'm applying top coat and seal everything inside and cry in the corner. Have you ever experienced this in your nail life? If yes, then please tell me your story in the comment section. I am willing to know your side. If anybody like this set, comment now. See you in my next video. Bye.